I tried Klever Wallet Pro app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Klever Wallet Pro app, I thought it would be another basic crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, I discovered the shocking truth. Klever is a full-blown decentralized ecosystem hiding behind a sleek, user-friendly interface. On day 1, setup was smooth. I was greeted by support for over 10.0 tokens across major blockchains: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, and more. No kick, no email sign-up, just instant self-custody with your private key safely stored on your device. By day 2, I realized Klever's biggest advantage: simplicity. Most wallets drown you in settings and jargon, but Klever makes it feel effortless. Swapping between coins, staking, or even buying crypto with a card, it's all integrated directly within the app. On day 3, I tried their staking feature. I staked tricks and saw rewards accumulate daily. The returns weren't exaggerated, around 5 to 6% annually, but the transparency was refreshing. Most people get this wrong, but Klever isn't trying to be flashy. It focuses on reliability and real control. Midweek, I explored Klever's in-app browser. It lets you connect to DeFi apps, NFTs, and regames without ever leaving the wallet. I tried linking to PancakeSwap and Uniswap. It worked flawlessly. By day 6, I tested the pro features. This is where Klever really earns its name. You get advanced portfolio tracking, fee optimization, and even the ability to customize your transaction speeds. For power users, this feels like next-level control. After 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Klever Wallet Pro isn't just a wallet, it's an all-in-one command center for crypto management. It bridges simplicity for beginners with depth for experienced users. If you want a wallet that gives you freedom, control, and seamless access to DeFi all without sacrificing security, Klever Wallet Pro lives up to its name. It's not just clever, it's genuinely impressive.